Work with Designer Roofing and Restoration, a local certified roofing contractor serving the greater Savannah and Hilton Head area. Today's topic is a new roof a good return on investment when you sell. When it comes to making improvements on your home, few projects can give you a better return on your investment than replacing the roof. A new roof can not only increase the ability of your home to withstand weathering, but also give it a great boost in curb appeal when you put it up for sale. The increased property value associated with having a new roof installed makes this an attractive option for those looking to get the best return on their investment when they sell. Residential roofing does indeed matter to lenders. When selling your home, your roof is a big deal. Buyers typically hire a home inspector who looks at the roof for deterioration and problem areas. In addition to the home inspector, a buyer's lender will always send an appraiser out to look at the property, including the roof, and depending on the type of loan, can be a deal breaker if the roof is in bad shape. A new roof is always a good return on investment, as the appraiser will add the value of the new roof to the appraised value for an accurate valuation. It not only adds curb appeal, but instantly increases your property value. There are few home improvements that give this return on investment. If you decide that a new roof installation is right for you, be sure to hire an experienced roofing contractor with a good reputation to ensure that your new roof will come with transferable warranties and last for many years to come. Making sure your home is in good condition is essential when selling your home. A new roof replacement can be a costly expense up front, but can offer a great return on investment when the time comes to sell. So go ahead and give your local roofer a call. Designer Roofing and Restoration, the last roofer you'll ever need.